I was alone in the house and I went out into the garden. In the green garden tree sits the cat, and the little Miss Cat wanted the bird with a paw, but the bird flew away and the cat landed in the dirt. Hey! Peter and the Wolf. Peter and the Wolf. The duck went for a swim, and that's how the trouble began. For first she preened herself and laughed at the cat, but the wolf gotta prove that he who laughs last laughs best. Peter and the Wolf. Peter and the Wolf. The wolf wanted even more. Cat and bird, yes please, please. So I jumped onto the wall and lay in wait. Then the wolf came creeping along. I grabbed my robe tight and caught the wolf by the tail. I am Peter, look at my face. I am not afraid. My fear is gone, for soon the wolf will be lying in the dirt. Catching him wasn't hard, and he was furious. Yeah! Hey! Peter and the Wolf.